Okay, we're going to just do chapter review. Should have wrote this down. 13 from Jack Plus. We're doing question 28 and then we'll do question 24. It says here, any future king is the oldest male child and the future king has 2 siblings. What is the probability as an older sister? So I'm going to write for king, I'm going to write K. For his brother, I'm going to write B. And for his sister, I'm going to write S. Now I'm going to try and figure out how many different ways can he have this family. So his family, I'm going to put oldest at the top, youngest at the bottom. I'll show you why in a second. So we can have a family with the king and 2 little sisters, or the king and an older sister and a little sister, or the king can have 2 older sisters. So I'm putting older as on top, okay? Now the king can have brothers, but he can't have older brothers because otherwise he wouldn't be king. So the king can have 2 younger brothers, or the king can have a brother and a sister, a brother, little brother and a baby sister, or a younger sister and a, oh, let me do it again. Okay, he can have a younger sister and a baby brother, or he can have a younger brother and an older sister. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different families that he could have had. So out of 7. And let's go back to the question. It's saying an older sister. There's an older sister there, an older sister there, an older sister there. So that is 3 out of 7. Just be very careful though that if it asks for exactly 1 older sister, then your answer would be just that one and that one. So 2 out of 7. Let's have a look at the other question that someone asked. There are 12 people trying out for badminton team. 5 of them are girls, so 12 people together, 5 girls. That means for the boys we have 12 minus 5 is 7. What is the probability to chosen at random is mixed doubles. Mixed doubles means boy and girl, or girl and a boy. Now, looking at this question, there's something that you have to take note, that this is dependent. And you want to know this because I might ask you a multiple choice question saying, hey, what kind of question is this? So we have, so look, another way to say this is without replacement. Again, this could be a multiple choice question and that could be one of the answers, what type of question this is, without replacement. So, and the reason being is once you pick a student, the other student to play with that student cannot be the same student. However, if you pick 2 monitors for a class, for example, it would be with replacement because a person can have 2 jobs. So be very careful. When we're picking 2 people, it can be with or without replacement. If you're picking 2 people for 2 different things, it's without replacement. So what does that mean? Let's draw the tree diagram. We have girls and boys. We have 5 girls out of the 12 that we could pick and 7 boys out of the 12 we can pick. Now, if we pick a girl or a boy, in our second choice, we only have 11 people to pick from. So over 11, over 11, over 11, over 11. I like to do the denominator first, it's easier. If we pick 5 girls, we have 4 girls left, but we still have the 7 boys here. If we pick the boy, we have 6 boys left to pick, but we still have the 5 girls there. Next, it says mixed doubles. What does that mean? It means a boy and a girl. So if we pick the girl, we have to pick a boy. And if we pick a boy, we pick a girl. So now we can work these out. So we have 5 over 12 times 7 over 11. And we have 7 over 12 times 5 over 11. Then you add these up. So now we have 5 times 7 over 12 times 11. plus the exact same thing. Look, it's just the same numbers in reverse. So what I'm going to do is just doubling it. Then look for common factors, 1 and 6. So now 5 times 7 is 35, and 6 times 11 is 66. Thanks for asking the question, and keep asking questions and I'll solve them for you. Bye.